Hey y'all, welcome to the Farm and Pastor's Wife. Today I'm taking you on a very fun journey with me and some of my friends. I'm not cooking today, but there's food involved. And let's just say I'm glad I wore loose pants. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today's a little odd video. I normally am cooking, but today was a fun day and I wanted to share it with you. Please hit subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything. I would love to have you part of the Farm and Pastor's Wife family. So, let's get started on this extremely fun day I've had today. Good morning, everybody. It is a little past 6 o'clock, so that's why I'm talking really soft, because everybody is still kind of asleep. Anyway, today is a special day. Today is a big day at the farm, but as you can see, because I'm fixing to put my mascara on, as you can see, I'm not going to be working at the farm today. And a huge thank you goes to my husband and my son this morning for allowing me to do this on such a big day at the farm. Today at the farm, we're getting baby chicks. That is a hot, hard-working day because they come in crates and we empty each crate. And in each crate is paper, so we have to remove the paper. It's a busy day, and the temperature is around 92 degrees or so in the chicken houses, so it is very hot. And my job is usually to pull the paper, and it's a fast pace. We're doing it really fast pace. And to help raise the curtains when the forklifts come in with the chicks. But some friends of ours who have own several restaurants invited me to go with them to the U.S. Foods food show, or I guess it's kind of like a food show, but it's mainly desserts today. From what I understand, we'll get to try them. I don't know that I'm going to get to film any there. I don't know. So I'm not going to do anything that they don't want me to do. So anyway, I'm going to get ready. I've got to be at their house at 8:15, and they live not quite an hour away. That's probably like 45 minutes away. So I got to get ready and get going. I got to get going. Got my coffee. That's coffee number 2, by the way. And Bryant, he got up early. He got up around 4. I came in there and he was reading his Bible and studying, and so I laid back down. I came back in and he's sound asleep, so I'm letting him sleep a little bit. And so yeah, I'm going to put my mascara on, and I'll be back with you in just a little bit. Okay, guys, well, I am well on my way, but let me tell you, there's a note to self, and just so y'all keep this in mind, don't try anything new with your hair when you know you're going to be in a hurry. Y'all, I have finagled my hair all morning. Let me tell you what I did. I washed it last night, and that's nothing new. I do wash my hair. But what I did was, instead of drying it or whatever, now normally I don't dry it anyway if I wash it at night. I just put it up in a ponytail or a bun. I kind of loop it through and then loop the ponytail part back through where it becomes like a bun, sort of. And the reason I do that is especially if I'm gonna curl my hair the next day, I do that so there's some wave in my hair, and if I miss curling a spot, it doesn't look like there's a straight piece and then there's some curl, that it all looks like it's kind of wavy and it looks cohesive, if that makes sense. So last night I thought, well, I'm gonna try this and and not even have to worry about curling my hair this morning. So what I did was, when I washed it, I got out, I combed all the tangles out, and I put a ponytail here, a little bun here, I put a little bun here, I put a little bun up here on top, and a little bun in the back. And I have not had to curl my hair with any utensil today at all. And as you can, I guess you can see, there's plenty of curl in it. My plan was that it was just going to be kind of wavy and look like a little body wave, and I could scrunch it. That was my plan. But that's not what happened. It was like out to here. Curls, way out. And I thought, well, let me just comb through and see if I can get them to relax. Well, the more I combed, the bigger they got. And I looked like Ronald McDonald. All over. It was just like frizz all over. So then I started wetting it, and I'm like panicking because I didn't leave enough time to fix my hair. And so I finally got it finagled enough and put some up in a clip, and oh my. Anyway, so I'm en route. I live about 45 minutes away. Looks like I'm 43 minutes from their house, and I'm going to arrive right on time at 8:15. So I will see you guys when we get there. Okay guys, we are pulling into their beautiful drive. They live on the lake. They live they have the most beautiful view you've ever seen, and a gorgeous house. So I'm just going to pull up. I have a feeling they'll be ready to go, and we'll just jump in the car with them, or I will just jump in the car and bring you guys along with me. Now remember, like I said, I'm not sure how much we can film there at the facility. They have called ahead to see if it's allowed or not, but we'll just wait and see. So anyway, I am pulling into their beautiful lake home right now, and I will see you guys there. Okay guys, we're almost there. I'm in the car there's Logan, there's Ray Ray, and up front William is driving, and there's Stacy. So like I said, I'm not sure we'll get to film inside, and that's totally fine. I'll come and share with you every experience I have. How many desserts did you say? 12 desserts, and we get to try them. So I'll fill you in if I don't get to take you in.
Yeah, that's the one you want. Yeah.
I didn't click nothing, but this thing just started playing.
Okay guys, we're here. Oh goodness, y'all, that was such an amazing fun day. It was just so much fun. So let me tell you a little bit about it. We got there, and I could not film. However, I was able to take photographs. And what it was it was mainly desserts. In fact, it was all desserts until the very end. And they are very familiar with William and Stacy and their restaurants. And they cater to their needs in helping them find things that would work well in their restaurants. Well, today was about desserts, of course. So what we went in, we sat around this bar-like area, and the chef had prepared or had come up with ideas for desserts. She gave them all a name, and then she fixed them right in front of us, and we got to taste them. And let me tell you, it was the most fun thing. Well, first of all, when we got there, these people were super nice. When we got there, they called me by name immediately and just welcomed me in, so friendly. And I was just, because I was just a, you know, I'm not an employee of the restaurant or anything. I was just there with William and Stacy, and they just treated me like I was another customer, and super nice. we went into the room where the test kitchen is, and they said, the chef comes out and she says, I've seen your channel. I've watched you on YouTube. And I was just like, ah. I said, oh no. I said, I'm so embarrassed. I bet you're thinking, I can't believe that girl is doing that. But anyway, it was so much fun. So I'm going to show you some pictures of the desserts she made. She gave them all a cute, catchy name. So I'm sure I'm not going to be able to remember those names. But there was like 12 desserts. We went through 12 desserts. And after I go through the pictures and let you see the pictures, I'm going to tell you which one was my favorite. And I think it was pretty much everybody's favorite. And it was amazing. Some of them were very cute ideas for kids, eye-catching, like as the waiter comes out with it, the whole restaurant's going to be going, oh my goodness, what is that? Anyway, so there was all kinds of desserts. There was a sophisticated dessert, but I'll show you exactly which one is my favorite. And in fact, maybe one day this week, I'll try to recreate it for you. So, hang tight. I'm going to show you those pictures, and then I'll come back and talk to you some more.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do to you. Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's
Okay.
hard.
Weren't they beautiful? I mean, everything was absolutely gorgeous. And they were so delicious and wonderful. Now, my favorite, by far, and I think it was pretty much everybody's favorite. I mean, I don't know that we went around the room, but it was definitely my favorite, was the one that looks like it has bread all the way around it and had whipped cream and strawberries. Oh my word, y'all, that was so good, and I am going to try to recreate it for you, maybe one day this week, or maybe next week, I'm not sure, but I'm going to recreate it because it was that good, and oh my goodness, it was so good. Let me show you that picture of the one I'm talking about. Let me show you, hang on. Y'all, I cannot even begin to tell you how good it was. And even the chef, it was just an idea she had. She said her idea came to her in church the day before. I was like, you go, girl. God inspired. And I think she was just like blown away at how good it was. I mean, I know she knew it would be good, but I think she was like amazed at how really good it was. So, anyway.
Take the next left on a flat swamp road.
I gotta take the next left on Flat Swamp Road. Anyway, it was so much fun. Then Chef Jennifer took me
for 5 miles.
on she showed me the kitchen. She took me on a tour of the kitchen. So I'm going to show you those pictures. I'm going to show you a picture of me and Jennifer, Chef Jennifer. And, I mean, she was just precious. And, I felt like we were kin. I mean, we would talk food, and it was just, I mean, of course she's highly educated, whereas I'm not. But, I mean, we understood food talk. And oh my goodness, it was so good. So let me show you the pictures of the kitchen and a picture of me and Chef Jennifer, and then I'll be back again. Okay, y'all, so that kitchen was absolutely amazing with all your utensils, all your pots and pans that you could ever dream of needing was right there. Like, I could have so much fun just hanging out with Chef Jennifer in the kitchen. It was amazing. And y'all, I'll say this was a very, very fun day for me. It was so much fun. I'm excited about actually branching out and dreaming up desserts myself and working on that. That just excites me. I thought it was so creative, the whole process. I was just watching her create things, and if it didn't work out, like there was not a pineapple, but a peach milkshake, and in her mind she thought it was going to work out good, and it just really, all it needed was more sweetness, but it was really good. And she says, I'm not happy with it. And I thought, what a lesson to learn, that everything you create, even with food, you're not going to be happy with. But if it starts with an idea, and then you just tinker with it, and you improve upon it, you see what it needs, you taste it, see what it needs. It was a great lesson for me, because sometimes when I have an idea and it don't work out, I get discouraged, and I'm like, oh, well, I'm never trying that again. No, don't give up. Don't give up. Keep going and try new things. And let me tell you, everything was so good. Everything was so good. She had some light, refreshing type desserts. She had ice cream desserts. She had, it was the gamut, and it was wonderful. And she used simple ingredients, and I just had absolutely the best time today. It was so much fun, and I left feeling inspired. I left feeling inspired. So you can guarantee I'm going to be playing some in the kitchen, and I film everything, so sometimes things won't work out, but sometimes they will, and you're going to be along for the ride. And we're going to try. We're going to work on this and see what we can come up with and just play. This has definitely inspired me, especially in the dessert category. I can't wait. I hope I get to go back with them when it's like entrees and stuff like that. I'm sure it's a whole different system or a whole different setup, but I'm excited to see it. And I just appreciate William and Stacy for taking me along and letting me be a part of this today. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to show you and do some things in my kitchen, in my new kitchen, where I have just about everything I could possibly need. So I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching The Farm and Pastor's Wife. And remember, if the grease is hot enough, you can fry anything. Bye, y'all.